Hey, how's it going, fam? Welcome to this episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Arlena Brumfield will be sharing some information about the importance of understanding our water cycle and the importance of establishing a soil sponge on your growing space. So please stay tuned.
Good morning from Soilutions Holistic Urban Farm. I am here this morning. We've had a couple days of rain, and I just wanted to share a little bit about sustainability. Look at this soil. Y'all see that? You see that it's uncovered? And then let me show you the grooves where my car, see those tracks? And let's look at behind the tracks, behind the truck here. Little bit of ground cover out there, some weeds that the horses don't care for. I see these deep tracks here. This is a sign of soil erosion. And this soil is not living, vital soil. This is dirt. There is going to be some problems here, some flooding if it continues to rain, and if I don't fix the roots of the problem. So I posted a video about a loss of water in Texas, the lack of water disappearing. And this is a perfect example of a problem that contributes to that. It is raining, but this is not absorbing that rainwater. It's wet, barely. Look at that. Because it have microorganisms, microbes living inside of it, it didn't suck up that water. That water just ran down and evaporated. It has no cover, no deep roots, so that soil is probably damp and moist. No microorganisms, no worms to continue to conduct that water, to recycle the water from the earth into the atmosphere. So, yeah, I can see where you could be running out of water. But that's something that those that are maintaining the land should be cognizant of. This farm was sprayed at some point, and that means that chemicals killed the microbes in this land. That's just a lack of knowledge. You know, it's from habits, conditioning, the law of conformity. Everybody else is doing it, but the damage is not irreparable, but it's bad. Because if I don't come and augment this soil, mulch and cover, and create a sponge, the erosion is going from uphill all the way down this path from the tracks of my vehicle, which will get stuck, and it goes all the way to the other side of the farm where I have my produce. It will flood and flood, wash from the city and washing away my excellent minerals that I composted and put in the soil. So think about it. It's a lack of sustainability. I hope to see you again. Let us continue to grow.